Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the Fanisic Mini Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a compact yet powerful tool for tackling everyday messes. Whether you need to clean your car, keyboard, or sofa, this multifunctional gadget has you covered. Let's check out what makes it special. The Fanisic Mini Vacuum isn't just a vacuum, it's a 3-in-1 cleaning tool. It works as a vacuum cleaner, an air blower, and a hand pump. The powerful suction removes dust and debris from tight spaces, while the blower function easily clears off delicate surfaces like cameras and piano keys. Plus, it can be used as a pump to inflate or deflate small inflatables like swim rings and storage bags. This vacuum is designed for portability and convenience. Weighing only 400 grams, it's lightweight and easy to carry. The cordless design and one-button start make operation effortless. It's great for cleaning car interiors, sofa crevices, keyboards, and even window tracks. Equipped with 5 different accessories, including an extended nozzle and brush attachment, this vacuum can handle a variety of surfaces. With 8,000 Pascal suction power, it effectively picks up dust, pet hair, and crumbs. It charges in under 2 hours via USB-C and provides up to 15 minutes of continuous use. Maintenance is simple with its washable HEPA filter and 0.2-liter dustbin, ensuring long-term efficiency. Regular filter cleaning helps maintain peak performance. If you need a compact and efficient vacuum for quick cleanups, the Fanisic Mini Vacuum Cleaner is a solid choice. Check out the link in the description if you want to get yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.